In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI video ad for your SaaS. So first of all, you need to go to Novoads AI. The link is going to be in the comment section and in my profile. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And well, you can see here that I was doing the Spanish tutorial. And well, first, what we're going to do is an image, and then we're going to use this image to create the video. So let's go to the image section, and here we will go to settings, change the model to GPT image 2, and here we're going to use the quality medium. This because in my personal opinion it's very similar to the high quality, but it's much cheaper the medium quality. And that way we can do 3 images and not just one. So now we have to click here in reference, and here I'm going to upload an image of my SaaS, that in this case is Novoads. But here you should upload an image of your SaaS. So now let's click here. Now here I'm going to paste a prompt that is this one. But the truth is that the prompt could be as simple as with a mobile showing my SaaS. And with that you could have an image like this one. But I prefer to give a little bit more of details, as you can see. But well, now let's click here. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the images, and personally I like this one, so I'm going to download the image. Now we have to go to the talking actor section. Here we have to click in add actors. Now we have to click in my actors. Now in create actors. And let's click here, now again, and here we have to upload the image that we download. So now we have to click in select your actor, now we have to click here, and now in gender, we're going to choose female, in age, young, languages, English, and in accent, let's choose American. So now we have to search for a voice that we like.
Check out the new promotion from Glow Girl. Feel like the powerful...
Well, I like the first one, so let's pick this voice. And now we have to click in create actor. Now, if we go down here, we can see that we have the actor or actress. So let's click here and now in save changes. Now here where it says write what the actor will say, I'm going to paste this text. This is, well, what the actor will say. And I add some emotions. For example, if you want to add an emotion, you have to put a bracket, then for example, happy, and then close it. Perfect. Now we have to click here, and now here to preview the audio. So now we have to wait like 10 seconds. Perfect. Let's listen a little bit.
Did you know you can create AI-powered UGC ads in minutes? With Novoads, you generate...
Well, I'm going to increase a little bit the similarity because I want this voice to be more similar to the one we choose. So let's increase this number. And now let's regenerate the audio. Perfect. Let's listen.
Did you know you can create AI-powered UGC ads in minutes? With Novoads, you...
Well, I'm going to decrease a little bit because the quality decreased. Now let's wait another 10 seconds. Perfect.
Did you know you can create AI-powered UGC...
Perfect, I like it. So now we have to click here and now in generate. Perfect, now we have to wait more or less 3 minutes. Perfect, here we have the video, so now let's see it.
Did you know you can create AI-powered UGC ads in minutes? With Novoads, you generate videos with real avatars without actors or a studio. I use it to scale ads for my clients. Try it for $1. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot. This is a video that you could use as an ad for your SaaS. So if you want to do this type of videos, now you know how to do it because of this tutorial. And I want to remember you, if you don't know it, that you can try Novoads AI for just $1. This is less than a coffee. So I recommend you to try it. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.